Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and continue to help us to grow and go. Today we're going to be talking about sunflowers and the 5 reasons why sunflowers are a wonderful addition to your garden. So anyways, if you haven't subscribed, you'll have another chance at the end of this video. Let's go ahead and get into the sunflowers and talk about those. So first of all, they attract pollinators and they attract beneficial bugs and insects, and they also, the second reason I would say is they also trap some of the pests that you don't want, like stinker bugs, stink bugs that will go to your fruits and stuff and some of your vegetables. If you plant them far away from them, before they get, like kind of up from where they're at or back away from them. Don't plant them right next to them. Like these here are peppers. I don't have problems with stinker bugs on peppers, but I do, however, across from here I have my orchard and I have some fruit stuff, so this will attract them over here and away from the plants I don't want them to go to. So a third reason would be is the sunflower seeds themselves are yummy and a tasty treat, and if you don't like them, you can also, a fourth reason is you could save them and harvest them and feed them to your chickens or your turkeys. They really provide an excellent source of vitamins for them, and they love it as a treat. And the fifth reason would be they make an excellent cut flower, and depending on what type you grow, you can, make a beautiful bouquet and enjoy it all summer long. Just, keep cutting the flowers back. And now these really aren't for cut flowers, but the smaller kind are. And also, if you save the seeds, you can save them for next year and replant them, and you'll have new sunflower seeds next year. See, we have some growing up there. These are the Mammoth, if you're wondering. They have American Mammoth, they have Russian Mammoth, they have all kinds of mammoths, but they're supposed to be gigantic. I would say these are about 12 feet tall. So let me stand back a minute and show you how tall they are. They're almost all the way up to the to go back a little further. They're almost all the way up to the top of our roof there. In fact, one of them is. So, and as you can see here, we've had a lot of pollinators in here today, but it's getting kind of later in the day, so there's just a few left. But it has definitely attracted the bees in. So if you're looking for something for that, these work wonderfully. And there's many other uses for sunflowers. That's just 5 that we find most useful on our farm. I hope you enjoyed this short video, learned something. Leave a comment down below. It really does matter. Tell us where you're from, and tell me, let me know if you grow sunflowers or what kind of flowers you find most beneficial for growing in the garden. Have a great day and a sunshiny day, and we'll talk to you later.